What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a digital planner using Canva. And then you can use this planner and sell it on Amazon. So let's get right to it. First you'll need to go to canva.com here. And as you know, Canva is a great website that you can use to design probably virtually anything, like design presentations, create pins for Pinterest, Instagram Reels, posters, and so on. And we can use it to create digital planners as well, and that's what we are going to do in this video. So in order to do so, you have one of two ways. First, you can choose from a ready-made template of a digital planner and then edit the elements as you wish. So to do so, let's go to search here and type in digital planner. Okay, hit enter. And it will give you multiple templates here, like a daily planner, a monthly planner, a digital planner here, like monthly planner. This is another daily planner. So you can choose one that you like. Let's say I like this one, the bedtime planner. I like the look of it. And we can customize this template, and you can view here some other similar templates here. Let's choose this one, the activity planner. Okay, customize this template. It'll open in a new tab and you can start customizing it. So here you can edit the text. So the title says my daily activities, so you can edit it. Say my planner. Okay, and here don't forget you have items to not to forget. You can delete certain elements and edit the current elements. So let's say I want to edit the text here, so let's write in just notes, water, mood, activities, and so on. And you can also add elements, so let's add lines here. Okay, so let's add a line here, some lines here to write on. Okay, and you can duplicate them, okay, and align them perfectly with each other. Duplicate it another time. Okay, so you have 3 lines here, right? So as you can see here, you can edit any item, just this background, this shape here. You can edit the color of it. Okay, make it pink and so on. So as you can see here, you can edit virtually anything, and you can duplicate the pages for different days. Okay, sorry, let's go back to the page here. You can duplicate the page here, as you can see. Sorry, I did duplicate the page as many times as you want and create your digital plan. So this is one way to do it, like editing a ready-made template. And you can also combine many templates together. So let's delete these pages that we created, the duplicate page, and let's keep only the original one. Let's add a new page, a new blank page, and here you can choose a design from the other design. So let's say a weekly planner. So you can have a page for the week itself and several pages each for each day. So this one looks good for the weekly planner, and you can duplicate this one to make it for the individual days. Okay, so you get the idea right here. Now the other way to do it is to create a planner using a blank template. So let's go back home, okay, and then create a design here. Click on create a design and then click on custom size. So let's say we want to change it to inches, and then we want 8 inch by 11 inch, which is a pretty common document size. Create the design here, and as you can see, we get a blank page. Now let's add a background. So in the elements here, let's add and search for a background of sky background. And you can see here in the photos you have different, okay, in the graphics you have several good images for sky. Let's choose this one, drag it right here, and it fills up the design or our page pretty well. Now let's add a page or a paper page design. Okay, this one looks pretty good. However, it looks a bit basic, so let's delete it and search for some other ones a bit more creative. Okay, so this one looks good. Let's make it a bit bigger. We can add the lines later as well. So let's leave just a blank, some empty space on the sides, like some bezels around it. Okay, looking good. Let's rotate it just a bit. We don't need it to be like straight. Of course, you can do what you like with it. Now, let's add some lines. Okay, as I showed you before. Now I'll add this one right here. Let's expand it to fill in all this distance. Okay, and let's duplicate it like sometimes and move them around, like move them down here, move this one here, move it right here. Okay, and move this one here. Of course, this is not perfect, however, it is just to show you the way. Now I can duplicate also this page as many times as I want to. Okay, and then like add title here. So let's add text, let's add a heading, let's name it notes. So the first page I want it to be for notes. Okay, and let's move it up here, and let's edit the font, highlight it. This is the font. We can choose a different font here, and we can increase the font size. Increase size here. Let's make it in the middle. Let's change the color, so we will make it like a dark blue. Okay, and let's add a background, so a shape here to be in the background. So let's add elements. Let's go back, and here in the shapes, let's see all. Okay, and let's choose this shape, for example. Okay, and the color, let's make it a light blue, and let's move it here behind our text. Okay, and now this page is for the notes. Let's make this one, for example, for the events. So add text, add a heading, let's call it events, and then move it down here. Add another shape, elements, let's add this shape, for example. Okay, move it up. Let's make it a bit bigger, bit narrower. Okay, and let's make here, let's change the color as well to the lighter blue here. And as you can see here, you can do the same with each page, and here you created your digital planner, and here you can view it. So if we share it here, you can download it and get it, send it to these platforms. So here is how easy it is to create a digital planner on Canva.